the latest weather updates online at minnesotadailyweather.com. Right now, it's 94.
Bring your bass back!
Mix 103.
Welcome back!
Said you hated the ocean, but you're surfing now. I said I love.
A lot of media let's talk about
Issued severe thunderstorm watch number 394.
some technicians. Field job opportunities now in Team Booster Shot.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
Research shows listeners don't.
Persons should alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota.
Down card.
Weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Emmaville Store have just the opportunity for you.
Lights Casino.